How to add and edit images in Wix Studio. In order to do that, just head over and then click on this plus icon. Once you have done that, you can see in here the quick add, and we have in here already the image. Just drag it wherever you want it added, and as you can see, the container will be added right here. What we can do is we can click on this change image. Since this is just a placeholder image, you can click on this option right here and then change it into the image that you want. For example, for this one, click this right here. And then once you have chosen something, just click on this update. Now it will be uploaded right here. If you want to edit it out, we have some edit options. Like we have the mask, we have the crop, we have the focal point, and also the link. For example, you choose focal point, you can select the area of the image you want to remain visible when it's resized if you want. So that's how you add and edit images in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.